To assemble the Farexon metal side table, one frame will fit inside the other. The top of the frames have rounded ends. When you connect the two frames, the frame with the threaded nipple needs to be below the frame without the nipple. Screw the sections together, screwing down from the top. Use the two long screws, and the tool is included. The round tray support screws onto the top of the frame with two screws. Put the indented side down. Push in 4 bumpers on the top and 4 bumpers on the bottom. The threaded section of the feet insert into the bottom of the legs. You want the threaded side up. A rubber mallet can be used to tap them in place. The adjustable feet screw into the threaded holes. Set the trays on top of the bumpers.